So we're going to be doing a video of the maintenance and minor repairs of the Perkins Brailler with Mr. Woolley.
Okay, so we're going to start by taking apart the covers of the Brailler, and I'm going to start with the top plate. And to take off the top plate, I have to remove these knobs here on the side. Now all the Braillers have these knobs. Some of them just don't have removable knobs at all, but in order to get this top plate, I got to take off these knobs. So I'm going to unscrew them.
Most of the time it's a flathead, right?
It's a flathead or a Phillips, depends, yeah. They changed things as the years went on, and that. And make sure you have one of these nice little boxes to put your stuff in, so everything's organized and you know where your screws are. And got my glasses here.
I hear being able to see sometimes helps.
Mm-hmm. And then I just put the screw back in the knob here, just so I know where it belongs. And then the next thing we need we need a Phillips screwdriver. And just take, there's 4 screws here. And a smaller size Phillips. Once those are out, just lift off. Oh, no, sorry, I got 2 more at the front. So there's 6 screws all together, and those 2 knobs. And then we just lift it up, put it this side, and then also there's a what they call a paper stop that fits in the groove here and that. And when we put it back together, I'll have to explain how this fits back in, because it's a certain way. So I'm going to put that in a little slot here. And then the next thing we're going to do is going to take the bottom off, which is made of press board.
Oh yeah.
And then we're just going to use a Phillips screwdriver. And there's, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 12, about a dozen screws.